Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best drill press tables that are available on the market for their true quality.
I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Starting at number 5, we have the Woodstock D4033. If you want to get right to work after purchasing your drill press table, you'll love how quickly and easily this one mounts to your table. The 2 universal table clamps empower you to use this almost anywhere. In addition, this is one of the lighter models on our list. That makes it easy to carry around. If you have more than one tool you want to use this for, this table can easily be carried between rooms or machines. The work area isn't the largest, but is certainly sufficient for most users. The set contains handy components, such as a stop block. This is a prime method of increasing accuracy in your work and enhancing overall quality. Moving on at number 4, we have the Woodpeckers WPDPPACK2. This is a slightly larger table, so if you're in need of space, consider this. Just remember, it will also affect the floor space you're left with to comfortably move around in. This kit includes a few impressive components, such as the laser engraving on the fence. The 0 is in the center, and this feature makes it very easy to work accurately. The fence isn't very high. This may bother some, but it keeps it out of the way of the drill handle, which is a plus. The layout has everything you need to get started, with double-wide T-tracks embedded in the laminated surface. These are bolted in place, but it's noteworthy that this is done from the bottom. There's less chance of any loose components affecting your workspace or hurting you while working. At number 3, we have the MLCS 9765. This is a very impressive table and it comes at an affordable price. That makes it a great option if you're a beginner that's still figuring out which options work best for you. Don't worry though, the low price tag doesn't mean there are compromises on quality or functionality. This is made from durable MDF melamine, and at 7/8 thick it will give you all the support you need. You can press down hard and this will hold. It has a very sleek look thanks to the white surface, so it even gives a workshop's look an upgrade. That's a great feature if you have to impress visiting clients. At number 2, we have the WPDP 2412. Here's the proof that you can upgrade your workshop without spending a lot of money. This is our budget pick, but our experts were quite impressed with how this measures up against other, similar units. For starters, it has rulers embedded in the design. This is such a handy feature that will undoubtedly enhance your accuracy. It definitely isn't something you find on all work areas these days. It also comes with the impressive features our higher-end models have, such as a stop block and a fence. These components all glide smoothly, so no problems with the overall workmanship on this product. It even has a long warranty period, so you know you're getting quality at an excellent price. And finally at number 1, we have the MLCS 9778 Jumbo Size Drill Press Table. If space is what you're looking for, then you should consider this one from MLCS, as it's one of the largest units on our lists. Those few extra inches can make a huge difference if you're used to working with large pieces of wood, such as doors. Just note that a large surface can actually work against you if you have limited floor space, so consider all aspects before taking your pick. In this design, the brand solved a common problem of the fence interfering with the drill handle. If this is a common problem you find bothersome, look at the cutout on the one side of the fence. You know you've found your solution. Now you can adjust the drill's handle without having to pull the fence away first.
Thanks you for watching guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.